Welcome. Today we are exploring the inverse tangent function. This is a crucial concept in trigonometry that allows us to find unknown angles within a right-angled triangle using just the lengths of the sides. First, let's quickly review the standard tangent function. Remember that for any given angle theta, the tangent is the ratio of the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Usually, we know the angle and we want to find this ratio. But what happens if we face the reverse situation? Imagine we have a triangle where we know the lengths of the legs, the opposite and adjacent sides, but the angle itself is a mystery. How do we work backwards from the side lengths to discover the angle? This is where the inverse tangent comes in. Think of it as a reverse machine. While the standard function takes an angle and gives you a ratio, the inverse function takes that ratio as input and outputs the original angle. In mathematics, you will see this written in two ways. The most common is tan with a superscript -1. Alternatively, it is written as arctan. Both symbols mean exactly the same thing, the angle whose tangent is x. Let's visualize this relationship. The standard tangent path goes from an angle to a ratio. The inverse tangent path goes from the ratio back to the angle. It essentially undoes the operation of the tangent function. Let's look at a concrete example. Here we have a right triangle. We need to find the angle theta. We can see the side opposite to the angle is 5, and the side adjacent to the angle is 12. We start by writing the equation. Tangent of theta equals 5 divided by 12. 5 divided by 12 is approximately 0.4167. To isolate theta, we apply the inverse tangent to that number. The result is approximately 22.6 degrees. To do this on a scientific calculator, you cannot just press the tan button. You typically need to press a shift or second key first, followed by tan. This accesses the function written in small text above the button, usually marked as tan inverse. Why is this useful? Consider a wheelchair ramp. If you know the ramp rises 1 meter over a distance of 12 meters, you can calculate the angle of inclination to ensure it meets safety standards. In this case, the angle is just under 5 degrees, which is generally considered safe. A very common warning: do not confuse the notation. Tan with a -1 exponent does not mean 1 divided by tangent. That is a different function entirely, called cotangent. The -1 here represents the inverse function, not a reciprocal. To summarize, tangent connects an angle to a ratio. Inverse tangent connects a ratio back to an angle. Use this whenever you have the two legs of a right triangle and need to find the degrees of the corner. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.